Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Stella and you're watching Nailist, and we have a Beetles unboxing for today. You guys ready?
She addicted to the Manicures Coffee.
So if you guys want to support this channel, please make sure you like this video and turn the notifications on after you subscribe, and let's get this started. Okay, this is what the box looks like. It's a really pretty packaging. I chose this autumn collection. It's kind of like Halloweenish tones, a lot of reds, a lot of orange. There are 20 polishes inside, and I'm not sure, but I think there are 3 more, a base and 2 top coats, 1 matte and 1 glossy. It says low odor, 9 toxin free gel, keep away from fire, quality resin. Okay, I'm excited. Okay. It comes with a little instruction kit. Okay, and some questions about what if the gel doesn't cure, or what if it's bubbly and wrinkly. That's pretty helpful if that's the first time you're doing this. The bottles are pretty small. They're just 5 milligrams. Let's check. Oh, they look very pigmented. And as for the odor, they don't have the best smell that you'd think. Like, it kind of smells chemical. So it's not like super low odor, but it's not something that you'd be like, ooh, oh, it stinks. guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more videos like that from me. Thanks for everything. Bye.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than